nobody, nobody knows. I'm good on the places that nobody knows. You got me hooked up on the feeling. You got me hanging from the ceiling. Got me up so high, I'm barely breathing. So don't let me down, let me down, let me down, let me down.
Hello everyone, this is Emily. Welcome to the TGF channel, guys. So before starting this video, I just wanted to request you to please, guys, subscribe to my channel. Please support me, guys. Please, if you like this video, please subscribe. And yeah, having said that, so if you have guessed already, I have done a Halloween special look, and this entire look is a tribute to Joker. So since he is a hero this time, and since the movie released on October and it's super amazing, so why not give a tribute? And if you're interested in how I achieved this amazing look, please keep watching. Hi guys, so let's start. Primer, I'm applying baby oil from Johnson & Johnson. For my lips, I'm going to apply Vaseline, and for my primer, I'm going to apply Johnson & Johnson's Baby Milk Cream. Applying a little bit of black eyeshadow so that it creates a shadowy look and it gives a shadowy effect. So now with a brush, I'm going to apply loose powder, and I'm using Johnson's loose powder. This is not effective, I'm going to apply foundation, so I'm using Maybelline foundation and Fit Me, and it's in the range 320. For my eyes, I'm going to apply a bluish black shade, and I'm going to apply it above my eyebrows and also below my eyes as shown in the tutorial. Now applying a red shade from NYX swatches to create a fake eyebrow and define the shape of it. I'm also going to apply the same NYX product in the tip of my nose as well as in the cheeks and my lips, and also to fill up the blank spaces I'm going to apply another lip product that is from Lakme 95 range, and it's in the shade Red Coat. After this, I'm going to apply a black eyeshadow to give a good shadowy effect, and that completes our look. So let's see how it really looks like.
Do you love me? Do you need me? Do you want me? I need a gangster to love me better than all the others do. To always forgive me, ride or die with me. That's just what gangsters do. I'm fucked up, I'm black and blue. I'm built for all the abuse. I got secrets that nobody knows. I'm good on
for me, this is the first ever Halloween look. And so guys, I hope you guys like it. I hope this helps every one of you. I hope you get an inspiration for your Halloween this year. That is on 31st of October. So happy Halloween to every one of you. And yeah, so if you like this video, please do like and hit the like button. And also do share your views about how you liked this entire video. And also if it's helpful, please do share with everyone. And yeah, do like, do share, and do comment. This is Emily Rudra, that fat girl. Okay, enough of that. So I hope you guys like it, and also have a happy and safe Diwali. Till next time, bye.
क्या रंग खिला, क्या रूप सजाया, मैंने ही नहीं दुनिया ने कहा, यूं खिली खिली यूं सवर सवर जाने जिगर तुम चली कहाँ, तुम हुस्न परी तुम जाने जहाँ तुम सबसे हुस्न तुम सबसे जवान।